watching Coast Life, and think back to about a month ago. Remember when we were introducing you to the OC RV and Van show? Well, the time is now. It is going on, and Jen Evans is with me down here in the Ocean City Convention Center, the woman who's made this all possible. Jen, even before we kind of started up this interview, you were getting a little emotional. Why is this such a special and unique event to Ocean City?
This is the first, I've been doing some research, and actually this is technically the first RV show Ocean City has ever had. People have wanted one for years, and they've never been able to get it going, pull it off, and to just see it just come to life. It's been our passion project for the past year, and to see it actually come to life, it just kind of, I don't know, it brings some tears to my heart.
I know.
It's been a big undertaking, a lot of help from a lot of awesome vendors.
Yeah, I mean, speaking of some of these awesome vendors, awesome speakers, I mean, remember when we talked last time, we got a little inside shot of my van. It's not nearly as cool as some of the vans that you see, like the one behind us. I mean, this really is, if you've got any interest in some combination of outdoors life, like this is going to be the expo for you to come check out. I mean, talk a little bit about the types of vendors that you have here. I mean, you've already been telling us about cool things that we need to check out.
Yeah, no, we have Myers and Chesaco. They brought in over 80 different types of RVs. We have custom van builders. This is Sequoia and Salt out of New York, New Jersey. They're phenomenal, top-notch builder. Definitely come check them out. They have a coastal beach vibe that just totally speaks to our DMA. We have bikes, everything from a Strider for like a 3-year-old to test ride, all the way up to an adult. We have electric golf carts, customizable ones that collapse. You can test ride those as well. We have all of the supboards, e-bikes, paddle sports you could think of, a lot of mobile repair business. The Mokes, truck, Subaru, and then Roadloft from Canada came, who has the conversion kits for your SUV or minivan. And they're upstairs as well. Like, it's just the people that, it's just a little bit of everything. It's packed. Got a little bit of a lot of everything, and a lot of really cool stuff, including a beach wagon that's electric, so you don't have to tug your accessories to the sand.
The worst. And this is really a great family-friendly event too. I mean, it's going on now. You mentioned some of the BMX riders and like some really cool showmanship that's going on, especially since the weather this weekend might not be the best. You don't have to worry about the weather in here.
No, we have BMX shows happening at 11 and 3 on Friday and Saturday. They are going to be followed by autograph signings, so get to meet your riders. On Sunday, if you're a skateboarder, register. Reach out to Central Skate Supply. They still have some slots open. You can actually skate and board in the convention center. Brings it back to like how it was like in the beginning when they had that long concrete thing in the front. But yeah, no, so it's exciting to have some skateboarding in here on Sunday, and yeah, there's definitely a little bit of a lot for everybody. So the little ones can test ride the e-bikes. There's little,
very cool.
Yeah, so they just got to sign a waiver.
Still got that energy out.
Still got that energy. Mom, Dad can watch them have a good time. So
very cool.
Yeah, we're very excited to be here.
All right, we know this is going on now. It's going on through Sunday.
Yep.
What are sort of the times that people can expect to drop by?
Every day, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we're open until 7. Sunday, it closes at 4. We open at 9 o'clock. So yeah, go to OC RV Show, get your tickets online, or you can get them at the box office when you arrive.
Perfect. And before we let you go, Jen, is there anything that you have just, like, is there anything that's maybe surprised you or has really impressed you about this show so far?
Just everyone's just adventurous spirit and just the inventiveness of all of the different vendors here. Like, they've all kind of created something out of a passion project of their own, and it's cool to have everybody under one roof. So you just get to speak with the best of the best. I don't know, it's really cool. I'm just super grateful.
Well, Jen, thank you so much. This is such a cool event. I can't wait to go explore it all, because there's a lot to explore here at the Convention Center in Ocean City. So make sure you make your plans to come on down here. It's going on now through Sunday. Don't go anywhere though before we make those plans, because there is more Coast Life headed your way, so stay right there.
This segment of Coast Life was brought to you by Ocean City Tourism.